It's Piggy 100 here, and today we're back with another video, and not just me and George went skydiving once, we went on the moon once, so this is giving me some moon vibes. Yes, I'm Piggy, but I'm sorry you can't hear it. Hold up, let me fix that. Hold up, can you guys hear it? You guys can't? Hold up, I'll fix that. I'll fix that. There you guys go. Whee. I'm walking on water. See, look, I'm walking on water. Walking on water. Look, see me? Look, I'm walking on water. Walking on water. Walking on water. Walking on water. Oh, there was a bear! Oh, hey guys, Piggy here, back with another Don't Press That Button video. I started a Squid Game because of that. I can't believe what it's called. Hey, look, I'm on the spike. See, I'm on the spike. Oh, let me get on the spike. What the heck? There's pizza. Ow. Let me get the pizza. Oh. Wait, I think we're all babies. Yeah, because I'm smaller.
Hey everyone, it's Baby Piggy here. And my man forgot to tell you, subscribe to Baby Piggy.
Sorry, I'm working on my Baby Piggy impressions. The reason why my voice went because I can't do the
Hey, it's me, Baby Piggy. Subscribe to Baby Piggy
a lot, so I had to go.
I feel like a Baby Piggy, but but hey everyone, it's Baby Piggy, and don't forget to cry. It's Sparkle around, second boy, go around. Hey everyone, it's me, Baby Piggy.
I think I might have turned normal from dying. Why? I told you I suck at parkour. And my button to jump. I use it all the time in my intros, but never for parkour.
Come on. Quit lagging.
Same with the button to crouch when I'm doing a piggy Minecraft video. Yeah, but it's true. No! Alright, I'm just getting so mad. Alright, guys. I'm gonna put. Alright, guys. Well, let me get on. You know my intro and Nightmare Bar. You know my intro as on YouTube, right? So let's just do this. Well, I'm gonna end you off.
What?
Come here, man.
No.
Dude, we've already been talking all night. Listen, you gotta let me go.
Why would I do that?
No, I don't want to be
Why
here.
are we gonna let you go?
I can't even think.
I don't even know how you would.
This is horrible.
I don't know how you think we'd actually do that.
Don't even know what I'm going through.
No, stop.
Yeah.
Sit here in your little cage and be quiet. Oh, crap. Okay. You know what? I'll let you go. Casserole edge is.
Just love it. The last fishy song. Yeah, well, don't make another. What do you guys enjoy? It's a banger. Happy, wacky. I don't know the place, but the fishy on me. Gotta let the beat, but the fishy on me. Gotta do, I'll slap your knee. Fishy on me, fishy on me. I don't know the place, but the fishy on me. Gotta let the beat, but I'll slap your knee. Fishy to be, but I don't know he. Fishy on me, it's a fishy to be. I don't know the place, but the fishy on me. Fishy on me, fishy on me. I don't know the place, but the fishy on me. To be, I'll slap your knee. Drop a like when you eat poop. I slap you or knee. Fishy on me, a place to be. I don't know the place, but the fishy on me. Fishy on me, I'll slap your knee. Fishy on me. I don't know the place, but the fishy on me. Gotta let the be, but the fishy on me. I know you love this fishy. Don't even eat me. Fishy, you. Fishy, see. I don't want to be but the fishy on me. I don't want to be but the fishy on me. I don't know a place but the place to be. I will slap your knee. I don't know a place but the fishy on me. Got a lot of fishy, got a places to be. Fishy on me. I got a place and a fish to be. Fishy do. Fishy see. I don't got a place but the fishy on me. Fishy on me. This song's dedicated to the fishy dippies. I don't want to place but the fishy on me. Got a lot of fishies, fishy to be. I don't want to place but the fishy on me. I know you and you ain't know me. I finally found a place and the fishy gotta pee. Fishy gotta pee, fishy gotta pee. Finally found a place and the fishy on me. I really enjoy making the fishy songs. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you guys are new. And share the video with a friend if you did enjoy or laugh because that helps me get into recommended. Which means I help grow. Thanks guys, love you, and stay with the fish nippies. Bye!